This video demonstrates how to install the Siren Marine entry sensor and activate it in the app. The Siren 3 Pro must be configured with the Siren Marine app prior to adding sensors. Installation and setup of the Siren 3 Pro is demonstrated in a separate video. To begin, unbox the sensor and remove the module. The package also includes a secondary QR code, support documents, a decal, the sensor magnet, internal battery, and mounting screws. Peel the Quick Start Guide from the back of the module, and remove the mounting bracket to reveal the QR code. Now open the Siren Marine app and go to Settings, Add Wireless Sensor. This will launch the QR code scanner. Now scan the QR code on the sensor, and confirm the successful scan. You're required to input a name for the sensor. Then select the sensor type Entry and choose Add. Confirm the successful addition. With the sensor successfully paired, it's time to install the battery. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen the 4 Phillips head fasteners on the back of the module and remove the cover plate. Take the coin cell battery with the positive side facing out and insert it into the cradle. A light on the circuit board will flash 4 times indicating power. Note, it's recommended to replace the internal battery in each wireless sensor once a year as part of the annual maintenance. Replace the cover plate and secure the fasteners. With the sensor paired and the battery installed, it's time to mount it. The sensor can be mounted using either the 3M tape or mounting screws. In this scenario, we have a flat, smooth, clean surface, so we'll be using the 3M tape. Peel the wax paper off the 3M tape and firmly apply the module even with the door jamb. Then peel the wax paper off the 3M tape on the sensor magnet and firmly apply it adjacently within 1/4 of an inch to either side of the module. Note: vertical orientation is recommended for maximum range and optimal reception. In this example, vertical orientation was not possible, however the sensor is mounted only 2 feet away from the Siren 3 Pro, so reception will not be an issue. Mounting wireless sensors onto metal material may obstruct connectivity to the main device. When the magnet and module are separated, the Siren Marine app will indicate the door is open. When the magnet and module are adjacent, the app will indicate the door is closed. If you have any questions, please refer to the applicable Siren Marine manual. Thanks for watching.